Imagine a world without smartphones, computers, or even electricity. A world where communication happens through handwritten letters carried by horses. A world where knowledge is limited to heavy books, and entertainment means gathering around a flickering candle for stories. This was the reality just a few generations ago, a stark contrast to the technologically advanced world we inhabit today. The journey from there to here is a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of progress. It's a story of breakthroughs and innovations, each building upon the last, creating a ripple effect that has reshaped our world. The speed at which technology has evolved is truly remarkable. The late 19th and early 20th centuries witnessed a surge in technological development, fueled by the Industrial Revolution. Factories hummed with the sounds of newly invented machines, powered by electricity, a force that would soon illuminate homes and streets. The invention of the internal combustion engine led to the rise of automobiles, forever changing transportation and connecting communities in unprecedented ways. These innovations weren't just about convenience. They fundamentally altered the fabric of society, influencing how people lived, worked, and interacted with the world around them. The mid-20th century ushered in the digital age. The invention of the transistor in the 1940s revolutionized electronics, paving the way for smaller, faster, and more affordable computers. This led to the development of the integrated circuit, a single chip containing thousands of transistors, further miniaturizing electronics and setting the stage for the personal computer revolution. Visionaries like Steve Jobs and Bill Gates recognized the transformative potential of these smaller, more user-friendly computers, bringing them into homes and offices around the world. The clunky mainframes of the past gave way to sleek, personal computers, empowering individuals with unprecedented access to information and communication. The 1990s witnessed the birth of the Internet, a development arguably as significant as the printing press. The digital age emerges. The 21st century brought about the era of ubiquitous computing, with smartphones at the forefront. These powerful pocket-sized devices combine the capabilities of computers, cameras, and phones, keeping us constantly connected to the digital world. The smartphone revolution has fundamentally reshaped communication, entertainment, and even our social interactions. We can now video chat with loved ones across the globe, access information instantly, and navigate unfamiliar cities with ease, all from a device that fits in the palm of our hand. Beyond smartphones, emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, virtual reality, and quantum computing are poised to further revolutionize our world. The power in our pockets. The rate of technological advancement shows no signs of slowing down. In fact, it seems to be accelerating, with each breakthrough paving the way for even more groundbreaking discoveries. The future holds incredible possibilities, limited only by our imagination. Perhaps we'll see the rise of implantable technology, seamlessly merging the digital and biological worlds. Maybe we'll finally unravel the mysteries of the human brain, leading to breakthroughs in artificial intelligence and consciousness. Or perhaps we'll discover entirely new technologies, unimaginable today, that will reshape our world in ways we can't yet fathom. One thing is certain: the future of technology is brimming with possibilities. It's a future that will be shaped by curious minds, innovative thinkers, and those who dare to dream big. So stay curious, stay engaged, and who knows, maybe you'll be the one to usher in the next technological revolution. Like and subscribe for more videos on technological innovations.